Namaste, welcome back to our mathematics class. In today's session, we will discuss addition and subtraction of fractions. First, we will discuss fraction. Fraction is a part of a whole. Fraction is a part of a whole. For example, 3 by 5, 2 by 8, etc. So fractions. 3 divided by 5. Here 3 is the numerator. 3 is the numerator and 5 is the denominator. 5 is the denominator. Second one, 2 by 8. 2 is the numerator and 8 is the denominator. Today we will discuss like and unlike fractions. Like fractions. Like fractions. Like fractions means fractions with the same denominator. Fractions with the same denominator. Same denominator. For example, 1 by 5, 7 by 5, 9 by 5, etc. These are all like fractions. Here the denominators are same. Then unlike fractions. Unlike fractions. Unlike fractions means a fraction having different denominator. For example, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 7 by 8, these are all unlike fractions. Here the denominators are 2, 4, 8. They are different. Okay. These are unlike fractions. Number 1, and option A, 5 by 3 plus 7 by 3. Here 5 by 3 and 7 by 3 are like fractions because the denominators are same. So addition means first add the numerator divided by same denominator. Here the denominators are 3. So write 3 in the numerator, 5 and 7. So 5 plus 7 is equal to 5 plus 7, 12. 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3. How many 3s are in 12? 4 3s are 12. So is equal to 4. Then option B, 9 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Here the denominators are same. So like fraction. Is equal to, here the denominator 2. Then in the numerator 9 and 3. So we add the numerators. So 9 plus 3 divided by 2. Is equal to 9 plus 3, 12. 12 divided by 2. How many 2s are in 12? 6 2s are 12. 1 2 is 2 and 6 2s are 12. Is equal to 6. Option C, 7 by 3 plus 5 by 2. Here the denominators 3 and 2. They are different. So unlike fraction. In the case of unlike fraction, first you have to find LCM. First you have to find the LCM. Here the LCM of 3 and 2. So LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6. The LCM is 6. First convert first denominator into LCM. So first denominator, first fraction 7 by 3. 7 by 3 is equal to, here the denominator is 3. The LCM is 6. So multiplying 3 by 2 we get 6. So multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. So 7 into 2 divided by 3 into 2 is equal to 7 2s are 14 divided by 3 2s are 6. The next fraction 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is equal to, here the denominator is 2. So multiply 2 with 3, we get 6. So multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. 5 into 3 divided by 2 into 3. Is equal to 5 3s are 15 divided by 2 3s are 6. Now 14 by 6 and 15 by 6 are like fractions because the denominators are same. So add these two fractions. That means 14 by 6 plus 15 by 6 is equal to 14. Here the denominator are same, so 6. So add the numerators. So 14 plus 15. 14 plus 15 divided by 6 is equal to, add 14 and 15, we get 29. 29 divided by 6. The answer is 29 divided by 6. Next, question number 2. Subtract option A 17 by 12 minus 11 by 12. Here, the two fractions have same denominator, so like fractions. Is equal to the common denominator 12. 17 minus 11. 17 minus 11 divided by 12. 17 minus 11, 6. 6 divided by 12. Here 6 and 12 we can cancel. 6 and 12. 1 6 is 6 and 2 6 are 12. So is equal to 1 by 2. 1 divided by 2. The second question, option B, 19 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Here same denominator, so like fractions, is equal to the common denominator 4. Here the numerators 19 and 3. So 19 minus 3 divided by 4. 19 minus 3, 16. 16 divided by 4. How many 4s in 16? 4 4s are 16. So 1 4 is 4 and 4 4s are 16. Is equal to 4. Then option C, 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4. Here the denominators 6 and 4. So they are different. So unlike fractions. Unlike fraction means we change the denominator into like fractions. So first we have to find the LCM of 6 and 4. LCM of 6 and 4 is 6 comma 4. So we start with 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Again 2. Here 3 is not divisible by 2. So write 3 have 1. Again 3. 1 3 is 3 and 1. So the multiplying the numbers 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 3 is 12. So the LCM is 12. 2 into 2 is 4 and 4 into 3 is 12. LCM is 12. So convert these denominators into LCM. So first 5 by 6. 5 by 6. How many 6 are in 12? 2 6 are 12. So multiplying the numerator and denominator by 2. So 5 into 2 divided by 6 into 2 is equal to 5 into 2 is 10. 6 into 2 is 12. So 10 by 12. The next fraction 3 by 4 is equal to, how many 4s are in 12? 3 4s are 12. So multiplying the numerator and denominator with 3. So 3 into 3 divided by 4 into 3 is equal to, 3 into 3 is 9, 4 into 3 is 12. So 10 by 12 and 9 by 12, the denominators are same, they are like fractions. So 5 by 6 is equal to 10 by 12. So 10 by 12 minus 3 by 4 is equal to 9 by 12. So minus 9 by 12 is equal to, here the denominators are same. So subtracting the numerators, 10 minus 9. 10 minus 9 divided by the common denominator 12. So 10 minus 9, 1. 1 by 12. The answer is 1 by 12. Today we have discussed addition and subtraction of like and unlike fractions. Complete the given worksheet and will clarify the doubts in the discussion session. Thank you. Namaste.